Yep, it's going.
Pull it tight.
Okay, and here comes Joey's tooth out. He's got the Leatherman. $79.95.
Here.
Deluxe Leatherman.
Can I actually do this?
Yes. And we're going to post this on YouTube. This is the second tooth.
Okay, come on.
It almost came out right there with just his
please.
fingers.
Open your mouth, please.
Here we go.
Okay, open your mouth, please.
Mom's over there.
Open your mouth.
I'm right here. We've got the ambisol right here for afterwards, so it's not going to hurt. Here's the ambisol, Orajel. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. He wants his tooth out of here. He's gonna do it himself.
Oh, it's almost out.
You talk about a tough guy. Talk about a tough kid.
What's this?
Oh!
Yay!
There we go. The tooth is out. Look at that. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Way to go, Joey.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. YouTube. How many hits do we get? We need like 2,000 because we want $1 per hit for the tooth. Thank you.